Now let's talk about note-taking for speaking number 3. You already learned that you're going to have a text which is going to disappear after you are over those 45 seconds, and then you're going to listen to a discussion just once, and then you need to tell what happened. So of course you need to take a lot of notes. You need to write down what you read in the text, and you need to write down what the students said. So in this lecture, let's discuss how do you take notes? What is the best way to take the notes? So while you're reading, you need to take notes, but you need to write just the most important information. What, where, and when. Because for the reading passage, you only need to devote like one sentence from your speech. You just need to say, all right, so this is what happened in the announcement. There's an education job fair that will happen on October 9 in the Washington Center. That's it. You only need to say just one sentence about the reading. So it doesn't have to be every single word written down. You just need to write what, where, and when. So you're reading the text and you're just writing down, okay, what, where, and when. You write those details. So for the reading, it's just pretty simple. You just write down what you think is important. And then for the listening, since it is a discussion, we divide our page to two parts, to two columns. One column is man and another column is woman. And then after that, we write each of their phrases in their column with a zigzag, kind of the same like we did in the listening when we were listening to discussions. So the man says something, we write it down here. Then the woman is responding, we write it here. The man answers, we write here. The woman says something, we write it here. And then the man responds and we write it here. So we always do a little zigzag, and then each phrase has its own place. So then after that, when you're summarizing the listening, it's very easy to you to follow who said what and when. So keep it like that. Always divide your page to two parts. Man and woman, always write phrases in a zigzag according to who was saying that. And then you will have no problem understanding who said what and then summarizing it during your speech. So since the speech is going to be pretty stressful, you just have 60 seconds. There's so many things going on. You're stressed. It's natural to be stressed during the speaking. You need to take your notes as great as you can because you're going to be stressed. So make your life easier here. Take very good notes, do the zigzag when it comes to the discussion, and then you will say thank you to yourself when you're speaking during those 60 seconds. Thanks for watching.